Good day everyone, you are welcome to Master Lucas Academy. Today I want to teach you on how to derive. Okay, so the question we have here is that for an ideal gas, prove that Cp and Cv can be related according to the formula Cp minus Cv equals to Nr. But pause. Make sure you subscribe on my YouTube channel, shares, comment. I would love to do more and I will appreciate you a lot. Thanks. Now, here we go. This is the solution to the problem. Now, we're asked to prove that Cp and Cv can be related in accordance to the equation A. So, here we go. The first thing we need to do is H equals to where we have a U plus PV. I believe you all remember this equation. Okay. Now, where this one represents what we call the enthalpy, internal energy, and this one originated from what we call work done. However, it should be noted that this formula that you are seeing here is equal to where you are going to have U plus what? Plus RT. Why? Because from ideal gas, take note, from ideal gas, we're given that PV equals to what? nRT. So if PV equals to nRT, that means PV can also be written in form of this. Now, so we are dealing with this particular one, U plus what? RT. This is the formula we want to use there, not this one again. Now, the next thing we are going to do in this place is that we differentiate. So when we differentiate, what will happen to this one here? You are going to have dH equals to du plus R followed by dt. Now, R is what? Is constant. So we don't have anything to do with that one there since R is constant. Now, what next? Recall that this particular one here, dH equals to what? Equals to Cp followed by dt, and that du equals to what? Equals to Cv followed by what? Dt that we have here in place of all this one here. So there we are going to have, that will be Cp followed by dt equals to this one here. For this one, we are going to have a Cv followed by what? dt. So after that, the next thing we are going to do, we add this one to it. That is plus R dt. Okay. At constant temperature, that is dt equals to 0. That is what it means here. So at constant temperature, what will happen? Everything you have in this place, you are going to have Cp equals to Cv plus what? Plus R. Because dt in that place is now constant. It's now equals to 0. So the next thing that will happen is that Cp, bring this one here, we give you equals to what? Equals to R. Now, for n mole of the gas, we are going to have Cp minus Cv equals to what? Equals to Nr. So this is what they ask you to prove there with respect to this formula that we have in this place. So now I believe now you know how to derive Cp minus Cv equals to what? Equals to Nr. Thanks. Make sure you share my video, like, comment on my video. I would love to do more about this. Thank you very much.